The purpose of this video is to show how easy it is using the ProTrader system to find stock bases using the Darvas theory that is setting up and ready to provide wonderful trading signals. If you go into Scans, then Darvas box, then what I've done here is you can change all these parameters, but I'm just scanning for a 200-day Darvas box. So these to make a 200-day high and then base and form the box. The top confirmation period is 20. Okay, so it needs to form that high and then base for at least 20 days in order to come up in the results. It must be in a box at the moment. And then importantly in filters, I want to see only stocks with a relative strength rating above 90, okay? Also above that 21 exponential moving average, but it's really this relative strength rating that's so important. Then I scanned the NASDAQ market. I'm just going to stand and watch this here for the purpose of this exercise, but usually I'd select markets in NASDAQ or NISI or whatever, and then scan it. There's a few results that have come up here that are pretty clean. There's a lot more results, but I just wanted to point out three, the purpose of this video. BORR on the NISI, okay, it's sitting there. It's got, it doesn't have overhead supply, except for all the way back here, you know, nearly coming up to 2 years ago. Obviously, it's in a good sector. Darvas Fox in there and basin. The next one is FIEE. It's a little bit thinner, a bit more liquid. Hardly did any volume yesterday, so not going to be for many traders out there unless you have tiny accounts, but you can see that base there. You can see the clear resistance. You can see how there's blue sky and no overhead supply. Another one that came up is GCT, okay, Cloud. Obviously, it's had this Darvas box here that broke out and it's formed another one. It had a gap, never closed the gap, kind of a gap on good news, obviously, sitting up here, massive resistance. Box in here for weeks and weeks and weeks, clear VCP, and clear tightening and a clear base. So it's easy as that. The system's incredibly powerful. Play around with it. Any questions, get in touch. Cheers.